This is the brief on the massive escalation of the US-China trade war. So after things have been kind of quiet for a bit, the trade dispute has just exploded again, okay? It kicked off because Beijing imposed some really aggressive export controls, essentially blocking sales of critical Chinese goods. And that forced President Trump to threaten what might be the biggest financial countermove we've seen yet. All right, so what's this all mean? Let's break down the three key things you need to know. First, President Trump shot back with a threat of a huge, new 100% tariff on China. It's set for November 1st, 2025. And remember, a tariff is basically just a tax on imported goods, right? This one would be over and above any tariffs they're already paying. Trump himself called Beijing's move absolutely unheard of in international trade. Second, the real flashpoint here, it's rare earths. These are critical minerals, essential for stuff like U.S. military tech and semiconductors. China ramped up major restrictions on exporting these, and that really targets a key U.S. vulnerability. It's seen as a big power play to get more leverage in trade talks. Finally, you saw the immediate fallout in the economy. Wall Street reacted sharply, stocks just sank. The Dow dropped 879 points, and the S&P 500 fell about 2.7%. This renewed tariff fear, plus the whole escalating conflict, well, it also put that planned meeting between President Trump and Chinese leader Xi Jinping at the APEC summit in South Korea totally up in the air. Look, this fight over critical resources, it has fundamentally shifted the US-China trade dynamic, signaling a pretty dangerous new phase in their relationship.